Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a headlight bulb. First, make sure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down. Gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver and a new headlight bulb. Wearing gloves is a good idea to protect your hands and the bulb. Always check your owner's manual for the exact bulb type and any specific instructions for your model. Once the hood is open, find the back of the headlight assembly. Depending on your vehicle, you might need to remove a plastic cover or an air intake tube to gain better access. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the bulb by pressing down on its release tab and pulling it straight off. Be gentle to avoid damaging the wires or connector. Now, carefully twist the old bulb counterclockwise to unlock it from the headlight housing. Gently pull the old bulb straight out. When handling the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb into the housing, aligning the tabs, and twist it clockwise until it locks securely into place. After installing the new bulb, reconnect the electrical connector firmly. Before reassembling everything, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to ensure it functions correctly. Make sure both high and low beams work. Once confirmed, reattach any plastic covers or air intake tubes you removed earlier. For more great tips and deals, including a link for the Oala water bottle, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.